It's a Disney squirrel.
Here. I got food.
You know he's a Disney squirrel because he's willingly coming up to people and not running away.
Hey, there's those birds again.
Not too bad anyway. Is it just me, or do these look like a bunch of rocks? Come on, Disney. Why do you have a bunch of Pokemon in your gardens? Disney duck? And baby Disney duck? And they're coming towards me? Sweet baby Disney duck, come to us.
Oh. Hi.
It's gonna snip at you. You sweet ducks. Did it get your finger?
Yes.
Did that scare you?
Yes.
It's just a duck.
It's actually like white or
So you know that's a Disney duck.
because it comes up to you.
Because it came up to you and it put your finger in its mouth.
And it put my finger in his mouth.
Yes. The big duck flew away and left this guy, and I think he's about to jump. Oh my god. Okay. Wow, you're a super duck. You just jumped like a whole 1.5 feet, and you weren't even afraid. Your mom left you. Go find mom. Wow. The land. Home of the ride where you fly over the land. Yeah. Soarin', flying over to living with the land because it's a shorter wait. No, we're doing soaring. Okay, no, never mind. We are soaring, flying in a star in heaven that we can't reach.
I'm
If we're
excited.
trying,
I love this ride so much.
we're breaking free. Ooh. All right. Stand by 70 minutes, but we're just gonna go ahead on in because we don't know. We have fast passes for 4:15-ish, I think, but we don't know what the weather's gonna do, if we're gonna stay here all day, so we're just gonna do it. Because the queue really doesn't look that bad at all. 70 minutes, no biggie, we can do that. Oh, found the line. There it is. And here we are. Great idea.
I think that we need a doggy amusement park on some level where there's rides that the dogs are safe on. It's not too harsh, it's not too fast. They get treats. You feed them bananas and treats and peanut butter and, you know, I mean, just have a whole little place where people can take their dogs and having a wonderful time because we miss our dogs. We wish they were with us here on our vacation in Disney.
Baby Boo, Buster.
Yeah.
We're soaring, flying.
I don't know the word.
Damn, still, you had so much time to learn them. Hey, alright, so apparently I lost a bunch of footage. I've looked everywhere and I cannot find it, so I guess it is just gone, which really sucks. So basically we got on the ride and we rode Soarin' and I filmed the entire ride, which I was really excited about because we were there a day or two before they actually closed it down and we're replacing the Soarin' over California video with a Soarin' around the world. So I was really excited to like ride it one last time in its original format, and I didn't get it. But then after we rode Soarin', we headed over to Living with the Land, and we lived with the land, and we hung around the land pavilion for a little bit. And then by that time, the World Showcase was finally open, and we headed over there, over by Mexico, which I also lost all the footage going there and inside of the Mexico pavilion as well. But yeah, the next thing I have for you to see, just imagine there's a whole good like hour or two that you are missing out on. And we are now on the Three Caballeros ride, the Gran Fiesta Tour. Yeah. Ay. Scooter.
They're so quiet while they
What, Scooter?
Never mind, it's grass.
Party today.
Let's go in the dark cave. That way.
Yeah, we should have turned there. Is that the entrance to Tomorrowland? Tomorrowland Mexico edition?
Seems like there's a lot more to do.
That means I cannot run. Who is? I don't know. With three gay caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're puppy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together.
So this is where Frozen Ever After is going to be here at the Norway Pavilion. Or well, not right here. That's the meet and greet area-ish or whatever. But over here, up past this little church, which has like a little Frozen dioramas and stuff inside of it. Up here to the left, in the Norway Pavilion, is going to be a new Frozen Ever After boat ride right over there where those walls are. The best part of Norway right here. All these guys. Trolls. And more. Yeah, there's not a lot going on in Norway right now. It's too busy being taken over by Frozen, which kind of sucks because, I don't know, I feel like Norway was pretty cool the way it was. Why do they have the clown from the big comfy couch and her evil little puppet? Having fun? Doesn't look like you're going anywhere. Go to the House of Good Fortune. Oh, free money. Just kidding. Hi. Hi. Hey there. How you doing? Yes. The Chinese must really just like ginger.
Those things on the plane were good.
What's up there, Demi? Let's go see if anyone's home.
Open. There's no hinges.
Someone might be home. I don't think anyone's home. That doesn't mean there's anyone in there. What a good rock they got there. Oh, excuse me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. It's actually more than this one.
Yeah, I was looking at these cuckoo clocks.
One of them.
I really want to get these, but I don't know when I would wear them. They're only $10 though.
Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Hey there, kids! I think we're gonna skip America. Get enough of that every day. Okay, well, Demi is being a poo-poo butt and complaining about walking and how boring this is and how she'd rather be riding rides. Yeah, so I am over here in the Japan area all by myself, which is one of the coolest ones. And they're just sitting over on a bench somewhere, relaxing.
Like, look at all these Disney koi. Especially Big Daddy koi. Look at all these Disney Pokemon. Wow, neato. I really do love Pokemon though. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh my god, that's awesome. That's just really cool. It's about 1:40 now. I'm walking out of the Japanese temple, and the rain is starting to come down finally. It's held off for quite a while, but it's coming, and there's no stopping it now. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Our reservation's not for another like 30-40 minutes for some lunch. Yeah, it's probably a good thing it's happening now so it can all just pass, and tomorrow we can have a happy Harry Potter day without any rain whatsoever. Let the rain fall down and let it wash away my I don't wanna be I hate my life so much. Even more lamps. Genie, hello? I don't think he's home right now. I found a bit of dry land, and I just want to show you how beautiful and fully immersive Morocco is. Like, you literally can't see past it. Like, it's just, you're in Morocco. I love it. Why is Canada the best themed country here? It's amazing. And now we're going to go eat at Le Solaire, or however you say it, the steakhouse thing. Excuse me. Sorry. We just ate at Le Solaire, whatever. Rain everywhere, or whatever it's called, and it was so freaking delicious. I got the bison, like I don't know what it was. It was great. They served it to me extremely rare, which people. There's a whole waterfall back there, y'all. Okay, well, Canada was great. The World Showcase was great, as always. But now, I think I feel a bit of imagination coming on.
That's right, guys. It's time for a journey into imagination.
Drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie coochie coo, and taste. Taste my chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
With F-I-G-M-E-N-T, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Woohoo! You win 1 cent!
Figment, don't!
Oh,
That really stinks!
of course, Doc. The nose knows.
So, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Our inspiration is at the heart of all creation, right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark.
I just found the best Cheshire cat in the entire world. Look how long its tail is. It's like a scarf. Oh my god, I love it. It's freaking perfect. What did you think about Journey into Imagination?
I mean, it was fun. It was okay.
Okay, you're just boring on everything. I don't see why everyone...
It's just like the skunk. It's like nasty.
Okay, well, I don't see why everyone hates on Journey into Imagination. It is still alive and well, and it makes me very happy to ride it, so...
It's raining. You ready?
We are escaping the weather, and oh, okay, it's freezing. All right, Finding Nemo and friends. Oh gosh, oh no, it's pretty cold in here.
Nemo! Nemo! I am not. Yes, have you seen him?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son!
Oh, I can help.
Play games!
Games? I love games. Oh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish! Hey! Righteous offspring! Awesome!
I'm gonna try.
Oh, check out the Mini Marlin! Woohoo!
Nemo, give me some fin. Noggin.
Something big and scary!
Never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea.
Back to Club Cool because we're cool. Aren't we, Jimmy? Aren't we cool?
Yes.
Gonna go to our
Ryan's
club.
cool, too.
We're going to our club.
Yeah.
That's cool. Wow. The Beverly.
I think it tastes like grapefruit soda, but it's bitter.
It's extremely bitter. Try
Drink
it.
it, Demi.
I want to get some pictures.
Watch your sheep arms. Try the.
Well, we got sick of all the rain, so we thought we'd take a little bit of a break and do some shopping. So we are in the mouse gear shop, I believe, and we're gonna see if we can't find anything good. Jimmy was looking for this earlier, so I'm gonna just grab it. Oh my gosh, I love this little Stitch magnet. How much is he? He's on mint. He's only $7. Oh, think about it. Oh, they have all the mugs you could want here. I really love this Animal Kingdom one right here. This Tree of Life one. How much is it? $22. It's a big mug. Also like the Magic Kingdom one for the same price. These are I really love the Magic Kingdom one. And the Epcot one, freaking Spaceship Earth. These are all, I want them all. I'm not the biggest fan of this Stitch one here. I don't really get it. I don't know. It kind of bothers me. Okay, yeah. I'm definitely buying this jacket right now. And Jimmy's gonna get one too. Because they're great. Alright, let's go.